Keep the boots on cause the grass too hot for fucking slippers. Cut a snake off at the head so it don't get no bigger. I keep a barrel on the compound longer than the winter. The lights is on but they not on, no, they just really flicker. I want a bagel that's so big you gotta tell the reverend. I want a gang so fucking rigged that all I hear is sevens. I watch the true crimes up at sunrise just to get the message. I roll a fat one in the nighttime cause I can't neglect it. California but it's better, I look like Carolina. She send the Geico to her apartment with the perfect timing. I'm really sitting at the bottom like I love the bottom. Country nigga in a dust bowl, got a lot of problems. I read the tea leaves, I can never get washed up like seaweed. Fuck a lace and fuck a contact, all I see is 3D. I gotta get it how I can up out this fucking TP. While I sit out in this backyard on this fucking T-Street. Yeah, 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 yeah.